Today's video is about taking out the baffle on that bearing exhaust. Viewer suggests that once I take it out, I'll never put it back in. So we're going to show you how to take it out, how easy it is, and then we'll give you a clip of what it sounds like. So real quick, we'll do a before exhaust note. It's in neutral, so cold start, not really. There's the baffle. Still rev. Sounds pretty mean. So let's get the baffle out, cut it off before it gets too hot. And let's get that baffle out and see what it sounds like after that. So let's take a close look at the baffle here. So you see, of course, it's in the exhaust, and you can see barely there's a screw right there. It is an Allen head screw, so we're going to take that dude out. Since it is a metric bike, I'm going to start off metric. And we're going to go with the number 4 mil, and number 4 fits really nicely, actually. If I can ever get to it. So don't lose the bolt. Here it is. Set that out of the way. Put this bolt with it. And Allen key. There we go. Well, that was a ride. After all that, I think I'm going to put it back in. I think it's too much. And it doesn't, it's loud, but not at a great sound. So it's just obnoxious to me. Plus, it sounds like my motor's knocking at certain RPMs, and I know it's not. It's just the sound of the engine, of the exhaust. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and have a great day.